Hello everyone. In this video I will explain the working of BA application. So simply first of all you have to download the application from Play Store or Apple Store by typing Essential SFA. After installation you need to click on open icon. Then type your user ID and password. Your user ID and password is your employee code. Client ID is 5 for everyone. Okay. Then click on login. After login, if you click on any icon, then system is asking to download the data. So first click on download data and then click on home icon. So here this is your home screen. You will find your target of the current month, achievement of the current month. It is coming from daily sales and then percentage achievement. You can also find out the target of next month, or you can find out the data for previous month also. So here you will find any notification. Then first option is punch now. In this application you will be manage your stock, your sales data. So by default opening stock, purchase and daily sales options are disabled. They will be activated only when you click on punch now option. So first of all in the morning click on punch now. In this punch now option, by default you will find current date, current time, working day. Means you may select meeting, weekly off or holiday. Then click on click to punch. So system is asking for selfie. Click on selfie. Then click on click to punch. Here remark option is there. You can type your remark also. So after punching, your option will be activated: opening stock, purchase and daily sales. Okay. Opening stock is the one-time activity. So I have already logged in from this ID. So this is showing my opening stock. Here some filters, like you can select product list by the product category. Okay. Here for example, initially company given some grace period, so you can update your opening stock within 7 days after login. Okay, so initially you can manage your opening stock like this. So whatever stock in your store you can manage this. Okay, click on submit. In this way your opening stock will be updated into the system. Save successfully message came. Okay, then if you receive any stock after opening a stock, if you receive any stock, then you can take in purchase. In this screen you can find out previous date purchase, and for example now today you got some purchases. So select your distributor, invoice number. Suppose invoice number is 897. Then default current date will come. You can choose previous date also if there is purchase of previous date, but you are entering today, so you can select your invoice date and then you can take the purchase. For example, 3-1 jasmine product you are receiving 10 quantity, so here you can add 5 quantity. In this way you can add your product list. Okay, in footer it will show you the total quantity, total number of SKU and the value. Then click on submit. So after save successfully you will be able to find your purchases. Here you can edit your purchase. If there is some changes, click on this invoice number. Okay, then you will be able to edit your purchase. Okay, so this is your purchase entry. Then daily sales, this is on daily basis. So at the end of the day you have to update your daily sales. Here by default current date will come. You can filter the product by product groups. Here uh, in every item we are showing stock quantity also. Okay, there is one more filter that you can select only stock products, so only stock product will come. Okay, because you cannot have negative stock in this system, so that's why you have to take proper opening and proper uh, purchases to do proper sale. Okay, so here for example jasmine blossom body wash today's sale is 5 quantity, you can put over here. Okay, if you put for example 10 quantity in stock and you are entering 11, then it will uh, just a minute, stock quantity is 26 and you are entering 27, then it will not allow. Okay, so negative stock is not allowed in this system. For example 5 quantity, then click on submit icon. Okay, today's sale is 5 this product and 5 this product, then click on submit, save successfully. So in this way scan will come. In daily sales there is one or more option is WhatsApp sharing. You can share your today's sale with your managers or with your SO also. So in this way you can share the today's sale. This is just the summary data. Okay, then you will be able to find your attendance. In attendance you will be able to find that your work day, your absent, your weekly off, all this data will come for the previous month and the next month. Okay, then in report section you have some reports like stock report, sales summary report, sales and stock statement, day wise sales. So here you will be able to find day wise sales over here. Okay, today's sale is showing, previous date sales is showing. You can select any of the month and you can check out the date wise sales. Like this you will be able to say other reports like sales and stock statement. Here opening, purchases, sales and stock data will come like this. Okay, opening is coming 0 because opening is entered after 1st October, so all the data of opening came into purchase. Okay, then you can see sales summary. Okay, in this way you can click on the sales data. Okay, item by sales data, so you can check this report, and similarly you can check a stock report also, and stock data product category wise you can also check. Okay, there are some reports. In future some more reports will be added over here.